In front of me is Honor 600 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into settings and scroll to hit safety and emergency section. From here, tap on emergency contacts and start adding yours by tapping on add at the bottom. Now, select the contact you wanna add by clicking on it, and after each one, you'll have to decide if you want to notify this contact that it became your emergency one. You can tap on OK or cancel. So now, after I will add all of mine, I can show you how to edit your emergency contacts list after it's already created. Just tap on this icon at the top right corner, and to move your contacts around, hold one you wanna move and drag it to the perfect place. If you want to delete one of them, use this X on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Once you finish, just click on the back button. So now let's check out how it works. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can tap on emergency at the bottom left corner. Then choose emergency information at the top. Click on emergency contacts and see mine. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!